What's your name?
My name is Anisha Chaudhary.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
What class do you study in?
I study in class 3.
What's your school's name?
My school's name is United Academy.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Amboka Chaudhary.
What does your father do?
My father is a great police officer.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
What's your mother's name?
And mother's name is Sadhana Chaudhary.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a great police officer.
Very good. Where do you live in?
I live in Batkulat, Nadia district.
Okay. I live at Batkulla in Nadia district. সুন্দর হয়েছে. Stop. When do you go to school?
I go to school at 10 o'clock.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Okay. What's favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What's favorite game?
My favorite game
Cricket. Ludo. Okay. What's favorite subject?
subject English.
English. Can you মানে তুমি কি পারো? তুমি কি নাচ করতে পারো?
Can you dance?
তুমি কি গান করতে পারো?
Can you sing?
তুমি কি সাঁতার কাটতে পারো?
Can you swim?
তুমি কি রান্না করতে পারো?
Can you cook?
বাহ, তুমি কি পড়তে পারো?
Can you read?
তুমি কি লিখতে পারো?
Can you
রাইট?
write?
লেখা। তুমি কি আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারবে?
Can you help me?
বাহ, জোরে হাততালি ওর জন্য। খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে। সবার জোরে হাততালি দাও। গুড, খুব সুন্দর, চমৎকার। বাহ, ভেরি নাইস।